Pemmican, a traditional survival food with roots in Native American culture, is gaining popularity among modern preppers. This nutrient-dense food was a staple for indigenous tribes and fur traders who needed a reliable, long-lasting source of energy during their travels. But what exactly is pemmican, and why should you consider it for your survival kit? Pemmican is a blend of lean dried meat, fat, and sometimes berries. The meat, often from bison, deer, or beef, is dried and pulverized into a powder. This is then mixed with rendered fat to create a dense, compact food that's packed with calories and nutrients. The addition of dried berries isn't just for flavor. It also adds a dose of vitamins and minerals, making pemmican a well-rounded source of sustenance. Because of its high fat content and low moisture, pemmican can last for years without refrigeration, making it an ideal food for long journeys or emergency situations.